Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali, and in today's detailed video, we will talk about the compatibility between FanDuel and Cash App. Does FanDuel accept Cash App or not? Can we use Cash App to withdraw or deposit money on FanDuel? If yes, then how? We will discuss all these points in detail. FanDuel available with several payment methods for depositing or withdrawing amounts. However, many users need to use Cash App for withdrawals or deposits on FanDuel. This creates a common question in their minds. Does FanDuel accept Cash App or not? Cash App is a digital wallet, not a bank, which means it cannot be directly connected to FanDuel, but there are some indirect methods to use Cash App for this purpose, and we will explain those methods in detail. To discuss this topic further, we'll take you to a website called Kabbage Loan Guide. This website has thousands of articles related to Cash App. One such article is titled, "Does FanDuel Accept Cash App? Unlocking the Truth?" This article explains this topic in detail. When we scroll down a bit, this article provides information about all the payment methods accepted by FanDuel. You can read this detailed information in this article. The link will be provided in the description. Scrolling further, you will find the main question that brought you to this video. Does FanDuel accept Cash App or not? Here it is mentioned. Yes, FanDuel does accept Cash App. However, it's important to note that you cannot directly link the Cash App wallet to deposit funds into your FanDuel account. The method of transferring money from BankMobile to Cash App was also indirect. In the same way, to deposit an amount using Cash App, you would need to use the Cash App card. By utilizing the Cash App card, you can successfully deposit funds into your FanDuel account. After scrolling further, you'll find another question. Can we use Cash App on FanDuel for transaction? Here, it is explained that no, you cannot directly use Cash App for transaction on FanDuel. To deposit funds into your FanDuel account or withdraw funds from FanDuel to Cash App, you will need to use the Cash App card. The amount available in your Cash App can be utilized by transferring it to your FanDuel account via the Cash App card, or vice versa. After reading this article, we learned that FanDuel does not directly accept Cash App. However, the money available in your Cash App can be deposited or withdrawn on FanDuel using the Cash App card. Scrolling further, this article explains the step-by-step process to link the Cash App card on FanDuel. It also includes screenshots to help you easily understand all the steps. Additionally, this article answers several other questions such as, can you withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App? How to withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App? Each of these questions is answered in detail. So finally, FanDuel does not accept Cash App directly. However, using the Cash App card, you can deposit or withdraw money from FanDuel to Cash App. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.